guys to another video. This is going to be a very interesting one, and what I'm going to show you how to do today is I'm going to do some chicken, and this chicken is going to be with a blackberry marinade with a bit of ginger. So just going to cut them like this, and I have a bowl which I have on this side, so I'm just going to cut them. Just going to give them a bit of cut. You can leave this on if you want, it's personal preference. I'll probably end up cut them off, because sometimes, most of the time, you don't even eat them. So we're gonna sort them out like this. I'll just stay these off because definitely I'm not gonna eat them. But this one is gonna be quick and easy and lovely. Okay, so the next step is, ladies and gentlemen, next step is I'm gonna use some ginger, and I have some blueberry I'm gonna add to that. I'm gonna add about 3 cloves garlic in that. So that's what's helping to build up my marinade. And I will be adding about a teaspoon here of dark sugar, bit of olive oil to help the blending process. So to add a little bit of heat to it, I'm gonna put a little bit of chili flakes in it. So that's how we're gonna work him today. Put the lid on. So we're gonna give him a bliss. So now we need to marinate this. I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose over him. We want him to taste nice, so we need to sort him out properly. Bit more all-purpose. We're not gonna put any black pepper on this because there's some chili flakes in the marinade. We're gonna go in with some more all-purpose. As I said, we'll make sure it's nice. We're not gonna play around with this because we want it full of flavor. So the marinade, we're gonna put him over. So last but not least, we're gonna add some thyme. I'm using some dry thyme. Now you can use whatever thyme you have, or whatever herbs you have. Feel free to do so. So I'm gonna go in with some nutmeg. We're gonna give him a rub him up, marinate him nice. So over the other side here, I have some oil. Make sure your oil hot enough. So we're gonna start them off in our oil. So if you notice something, I don't quick to turn it. Just let it catch a little bit of color. It would be good if I can fit all of them in it, but you never know. So I'm just going to take my time, turn a couple of them. I want them to catch good color. So I can fit a couple more here. We're going to make sure we fit everything in there. We don't want to leave anything out more. A piece of garlic, so we'll just put them in the side here. But meanwhile over here, some blueberry. We're gonna sort them out properly. We're gonna put some blueberries, a little bit of honey. Just a little bit of mint. Olive oil. A little bit of lime juice. So what we're gonna do once our chicken is ready, we're gonna blend this. So we keep turning our chicken. I want them to catch lovely, nice color. What you can do also, you can put this in the oven if you want and finish them off. So that's my dressing ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a bowl. So I have a bowl here. So the smaller one, them, that's ready. We're gonna put them in there. This one look like him ready. Just gonna put him there. So this dish is for someone who loves to cook. If you don't love to cook, you won't have patience with something like this. But these are for someone who loves to cook. If you wish to try this particular recipe. It's nice and crispy. Make sure they cook properly. So those are the ones that cook. You just take them, put them over here. That's where we're gonna finish them off. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the lovely dressing over it now. And then we're just gonna give it a bit of toss. Get your desired bowl. And we're gonna spoon them straight in your bowl. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Look at that. World class. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive